Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Teresita Ciruano. I'm 48 years old. I'm from San Pablo City, Laguna, Philippines. I'm high school level. I'm a Christian. I have 4 children. My experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Riyadh to 2019 until 2021. I served 6 members family. My duties and responsibilities are household cleaning, wash the clothes, ironing, cooking, including taking care of children. My second employment was in Doha, Qatar to 2021 until 2024. I serve 4 members family. My duties and responsibilities are household cleaning, wash the clothes, ironing, was the dishes, cooking, including taking care of 2 children, 2 years old and 3 years old. I hope if you choose me, I am hardworking, honest, and respectful, and I am follow your rules and regulation. Thank you and God bless.